I have Hui with me, Laura. How do you write your name?
Laura, L-A-U-R-A.
So where are you from?
Ireland.
Guys, she's from Ireland and she never had cool. Today we're going to do for her a beautiful, nice cool. Okay, so let me put something here. Yeah, we are live video, so. Okay, we can put something here. Let me close the radio so you can talk. Yeah. First time here, Vivian.
Just
guys. She's here this
speaking to my fans.
Yeah, okay. You have. You can walk also. But this is faster. Oh. She can turn on. Yes.
I don't know what to say. Very shy.
Oh, there she is. She's also, yeah.
Hi, Mom.
Your mom can see now. Guys, this is Lauren. How do you say your name?
Laura.
Laura, guys, this is Laura. Today here, we're going to do for her clothes, so show you. First time here, Vivian Hairstyle. So, we're going to put in her hair. Two nice products. You want to put your towel or just like
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, guys, so we're going to put her some product. Make cool, a silk protein and vitamin. It's really nice, amazing product for cool. So beautiful color. So this makes the coat really nice. And I give you a nice shine.
Lovely.
Okay, and now we're going to put something else in it. That's spray. Guys, we're going to put this one in it. It's a spray for her hair. Also from Vivian. Vivian Impossible, they call it. So. And make a beautiful coat. So you're going to like it. Ready? Guys, this is diffuser. We're going to use diffuser today in her hair to curl her hair, yeah?
I actually have a diffuser at home, but I've never used it.
Today you're going to learn how to use it, yeah? So, you move this one here. This one up. Yeah? It's very nice and very important to use the right one for the hair. This one will go into very nice and nice in the butler. And the best way to do it is go all the way down. Okay.
Done?
Do you want to go down or just try like this? We can do that also.
Done.
Guys, she went down. I'll put the camera a little bit down. Everybody. Oh my God. So I'm putting in some product now. Perfect. So the curl will hold this. filter for your hair.
Yeah.
See? So, guys, so take the diffuser like that and just put it here and go up, turn the hair. Amazing. So put that diffuser here and go up. Your mom is looking to your video. How I'm doing your hair. Just like that, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, love. So now you go back.
Woo.
Girls.
Oh, look at the curtains.
Yeah, look at her, girls. See how beautiful. Now we go here. Yeah. You see the beautiful.
I have.
Volume here, for example, you put the Vivian inside,
Yeah, it's all the volume.
and then you make it high, and it goes high. Look.
It used to be really thick, like really, really thick.
Yeah, you see that?
And then I had surgery, and it all fell out, and now it's growing back.
I love it. Look at the hair. This side is really nice. What side is your hair?
Or whatever you want. I usually go middle, so you go that way.
This is amazing. Beautiful, lovely.
It's so curly.
Right here. You can do also something else, for example. Guys, look at her hair. So nice.
And my burnt shoulders.
She ran. It's 30 degrees.
I'm Irish.
Irish.
Irish skin.
Yeah, look at the hair.
Woo! Look at the volume.
You can put more volume in it, taking the same product spray. I'll show you. So you put like this. You see? You can push it over. See what happened? You get more volume in it here. Just this is the best product. That's why they call it Vivian Impossible. Everything impossible in this product. Look at it, girls. You only see how nice. You have so fine hair, but now it looks like so nice, so thick.
Now I look like I have her.
Yeah. Very nice. Guys, look at her. Okay, please, could you turn a little bit so everybody can see her coat? Like, she has very, very fine hair, and this is the result. Look at it, guys. Look. Beautiful, amazing, lovely, curly hair, natural hair. Could you turn, please? Look at her.
Oh, just
Guys, she's gonna turn for you. Like, if you turn, oh yeah.
see that?
Not just, I've turned the chair.
In the chair. You turn the chair.
Turn. Yeah. Guys, see, this is beautiful, nice, lovely hairstyle for a lovely girl. Guys, how do you feel? Let me ask her. Are you happy?
I love it.
She love it, guys. She's
Thank
from,
you so much.
from
Ireland.
She's from Ireland. First time in Vivian Hair Design. We put
First
in
time,
her-
but not the last.
No, thank you so much. So guys, if you know what we put her, actually this is Vivian Glamour. This is Vivian Glamour. Silk protein in her hair to make the curl go like that, and to hold the curl, we put her the Vivian Impossible. That's the spray to hold the hair curl. And look at it. It doesn't feel like she has product in her hair.
No.
And it is nice and cool. Turn again, yeah, yes, guys, look at it. Beautiful, lovely girl from Ireland. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for visiting us. Do you want to say something to everybody there?
Thank you. I
Guys,
always knew I'd be famous.
finally she's famous, guys. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you. Bye.